Today's clip will guide you. Use a software tool. Help us post automatically on multiple of Facebook groups and post on multiple Facebook accounts so that we can post thousands posts group a lots at the same time. It's completely automated. So when we post manually, it will take time. Like I'm posting in a group post, manually will take a long time and its quantity will not assured. So we're going to use the MKT Care software to be able to automatic posting on multiple Facebook accounts in thousands of groups. This is the main interface of the MKT Care software. Help us manage without limits. Facebook account. I have about 200 accounts. And now I'm going to go to viral marketing to post. Automatically, we go to that group post. Here we can set up the basic parameters. I will choose the accounts which go posting. For example, I have about 200 accounts. Then people can imagine these 200 accounts each have maybe just 20 posts. We could have posted about 4,000 posts. If you leave save for account, we just need to post 10 posts. Is that we can post 2,000 posts in one day? And the more posts that reach, we will reach more and more customers. And more customers will come to contact us to use our services. I'm going to set up the basic parameters as the number of threads runs, equivalent to the number of accounts running at the same time. It depends on the configuration of the computer. How much do all of these accounts post? I'll leave 1,000 groups, 1,000 different groups. I will post a maximum of 10 groups per account. And post 5 groups at a time to change accounts. The time between two posts is 50 to 100 seconds. The most important thing is that I choose the content. I already have the content. We will choose this part. Input, and there is also an image with text. That's it, and we should enter about 15 to 10 different content to be able to vary the content up. Finally, I will choose groups to post to. And here I've scanned it. Potential groups of people with software that can prioritize ID. A software called MKTU-ID helps us scraping the group. And this is where I scan the resident groups. About residents. And I'm going to put a sales post up there. I have copied the IDs of this group. And I pasted that group ID here. Click Save. Okay, and I will post. These posts are random and are not duplicate. Automatic posting. And automatically join if you're not already in that group. After posting like that, all of your information will be covered. Broad coverage on potential groups that we post. For example, we sell real estate properties. We can post it on real estate groups. Our setup is so simple. And now I will press start. The software will automatically use these Facebook account when posting automatically on it. And we have maybe use hundreds, thousands of accounts to post automatically. And the one that uses more and more accounts, then we'll be able to post more and more posts. That way we'll have more and more customers. So that's the basic mechanics of the software. This is the end of my clip. Bye everyone, and see you soon in the following clips.